Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mukherjee's Sphere. So today we are not going to share any daily lifestyle, but this is our love, our emotion, that's our biryani. So I'm going to share the recipe and how I make biryani. I'm going to prepare goat biryani aka mutton biryani. So start off, the first thing I did was to peel off the potatoes, cut it into two pieces, and then I have just given 2 to 3 whistles. And depending on whichever potatoes you are using, it might take a little bit less whistle or some more whistles. Meanwhile, another ingredient is boiled eggs. So in another stove, I have also put the eggs to boil. It will take like 10 to 15 minutes. And here I have also started to prepare the rice. So I have taken here basmati rice, and here we will prepare it like half cooked rice. But for that, when I give the rice and water, along with that I'll also give some other masala, and that's like some Indian masala which we have this garam masala, whole garam masala, and we have something like jayatri, jaifal, bay leaves, cardamom, long elaichi, whatever was there in the garam masala pack. And the reason to put them within this cloth was basically I don't want all this masala to be within my rice, but I just want the essence to be there in my rice. And also it is important that this rice is half cooked initially, because in the process, in the end, I'll be putting it in steam. So that's the time when my rice would be fully cooked. So it's very important that we have this half cooked. So now when I was waiting for my potatoes and the eggs to cool down a bit, here I am preparing the fried onions, or which is called beresta. And we need to cook this until it becomes golden brown. So this is my half cooked rice, and I have drained the water, and then I have just spread across these two plates. So while we prepare the other items, we should let the rice cool down. So here we have taken milk in a bowl and will add a little bit of food color yellow and mix it well. So if you are having saffron, instead of using food color, you can also use saffron, and keep this till the end. So now the boiled eggs and the potatoes, we will just fry it a little bit in oil. And here I have added a little bit of turmeric powder and Kashmiri lal mirch. So here I have 3 of my items ready: boiled eggs or fried eggs, fried potatoes, and my beresta, which I'll need in the end while I'm doing the layering of the biryani. So now we are going to prepare the mutton or the goat curry. So this we have marinated and kept it overnight using turmeric powder, lal mirch, little bit of oil, then coriander and jeera powder. And to start off with our mutton preparation, the first thing we have taken is the whole garam masala, and then we just fry it little bit in the pan, and after frying we will just mix it in a mixer and have a paste of it. Then in the cooker we have taken basic masala, onions and tomato, and we'll just fry this a little bit, and then we will make a paste of all these items and then add the goat or the mutton in it. So for biryani, we don't use too much spices for preparing the mutton. It's usually of less spices. So here we have our mutton or the goat curry ready. And now we will get started with the last and the most important item, that's layering of the biryani. So for layering, I have taken a non-stick pan and I have placed a foil paper so that I do not have anything stick to my pan. And now I'm just brushing a little bit of ghee in it because the essence of ghee makes biryani taste like heaven. Then the first layer here comes where we put the first layer of the rice. This is my half cooked rice obviously, and this is the time which I was saying initially, when we put this in steam, that time our rice would be fully cooked. A pinch of salt because initially when we boiled the rice we didn't put at all salt in it. And then one by one we will place few of the eggs and the potatoes. Then here we have the biryani masala. So whatever masala biryani you get, you can just spread it across. Little bit of masala is only needed, not much. So now we will put the mutton or the goat and also the yakni we will spread across so that we do get a flavor of the mutton curry. Then we spread across the beresta. Then a few drops of the kevda water, so very little and just few drops. If you don't wish to keep it, you can also skip this, but we like it. And then comes the mix which we had prepared with milk and the food color, and if you wish, that would be like milk and the saffron, so that this gives a color to your biryani. And then again comes the second part of our layering. It would be the same process where first we have the rice and then one by one a little bit of ghee in the rice, and all the same items which we repeated in the first step we will repeat them here also, like eggs, potatoes, mutton, then yakni, and slowly we will prepare with whatever rice you have. Over here we could have 3 layer, so depending on how much rice you have, prepare that layer by layer. And then once you are done with your layering, I just covered the top of my pan with a foil paper. So this is basically done so that I do not have any of the steam go out of my pan. And you can also cover the top or fix the lid with a dough which you need to prepare separately. I didn't have time for that, so I used the foil paper. Now we will put this in steam, so it will be a low to medium flame, and approximately it will take 10 minutes, not more than that, because we already have everything cooked and the rice is like half cooked. So now it's time for final look. So here we take it and we remove the foil paper. It's very hot. So this turned out to be very delicious and yummy from the look itself, and we did have it and it was very tasty. So if you wish to cook this, please go ahead and have this and enjoy this beautiful food. So with this we have come to an end. So if you like anything, please do share and subscribe to our channel, and please watch for more interesting vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.